Hello everyone, welcome back to our YouTube channel, and together let's learn Filipino. Once again, I am Rachel, and today I'm going to teach you the basic Filipino grammar structure. So, are you ready? Let's go! The pattern for the Filipino sentence structure is predicate plus subject. A predicate could be a verb, adjective, noun, or a prepositional phrase. On the other side, a subject could be a noun, pronoun, demonstrative, adjective, verb, or a prepositional phrase. For now, let's learn the different types of subject in a sentence. Let's start with a noun subject. A noun subject could be a personal and a non-personal noun. When we say personal, it means we are talking about the person, a particular person. So we use here a name of a person or even an animal. While in non-personal, it is a common noun and it is also known as the other noun aside from the personal one. So let's have an example with a personal noun. Dumating si Maria. Dumating si Maria. Dumating si Maria. In English, it means Maria came. Maria is a name of a person, right? So that's why it belongs to a personal noun. Dumating here means came in English. And that's our predicate in this sentence. So if we are being asked, who came? Our answer is Maria. The second example is about a non-personal noun. Let's have this sentence. Tumatahol ang aso. Tumatahol ang aso. Tumatahol ang aso. It literally means the dog is barking. Tumatahol means barking and aso is a dog. So it belongs to a non-personal noun because we did not say the particular or specific name of that dog, and this is a common noun, right? So that's why we have here an example of a non-personal noun. All you have to remember in this noun subject is this. If we use personal noun, we have to remember the marker, the right marker to use, and that's C. Let's take a look at this example here. We have a marker C for Maria, which is a personal noun. Dumating si Maria. We are talking about Maria. And if someone would ask who came, again, the answer is si Maria. The second one is for non-personal. We use the marker ang. In this example, tumatahol ang aso. If the question is asking who is barking, the answer is ang aso. So just by remembering the si and ang, we can identify if the noun subject that is being used in a sentence is a personal or a non-personal noun. Did you get it? I hope it's clear. Alright, now let's move on with the pronoun subject. Let's have this example. Nakita kita. Na-ki-ta kita. Nakita kita. It means I saw you. Nakita in English is saw. And the word kita is you. We all know that you is a pronoun. And it is the same with the Filipino. And its equivalent is the word kita. Kita, you. They are the same. In this pronoun subject, the word kita serves as our subject in this sentence. The speaker is saying that she or he have seen you. She is telling that you are the one that she or he saw last time or the other day. So you have to think that we are just using in here a pronoun as a subject. So you are the subject in here. The next example is mamamasyal kami. Mash-yal kami. Mamamasyal kami. So it has here a sound of sh. Mamamasyal kami. So it literally means we're going to stroll around. The pronoun that is being used in here is kami. And in English, it is we. We. Again, kami, we. The word mamamasyal is somehow can be translated in English as to stroll around, to go somewhere. You use this when you want to say that you're going to hang out somewhere or have some fun. Mamamasyal, like you stroll around. So here the subject is kami. The person who's talking in here is saying that we, kami, is going somewhere or we're going to stroll around. So yeah. In pronoun subject, it's just that a pronoun word is being used as a subject. So you don't have to get confused about this part. Okay? Let's proceed with the demonstrative subject. When we talk about demonstrative, we are here talking about some distance or a particular thing or happenings. Let's have an example. Kainin mo ito. Kainin mo ito. in English, it means you eat this. The demonstrative subject that is being used in this sentence is ito, and that word is this in English. So, the person who's talking or saying this sentence, kainin mo ito, she's telling you that you eat this particular food or something, right? By the way, kainin mo means you eat in English. And again, ito is this in English, right? So, yeah. Please remember ito for this. The next example is mahal iyan. Mahal iyan. This time, we are using the word iyan, and that means that. Okay? The predicate that is being used in here is mahal, and that's an adjective. Mahal means expensive in this sentence. So, by the way, if you're familiar with the word mahal, you are somehow confused that sometimes mahal means love, right? Love, like in mahal kita, I love you. But this time, mahal means expensive. So mahal could means love or expensive. But you can know the meaning of that in a particular context. Like this one, mahal yan. The person is telling that that particular thing is expensive. Okay? The next example is kanino ang mga iyon? Kanino ang mga? It's like ma and nga. This is the pronunciation. Ma, nga. Iyon. Kanino ang mga iyon? In English, it means to whom are those? In this sentence, the demonstrative subject is iyon, and that's those. So, the meaning of kanino in English is to whom or who. Kanino, to whom. And ang mga signifies plurality. That's why in English, the translation for ang mga is this one, the word are. So, again, kanino ang mga iyon? The speaker is asking, to whom are those particular thing? Maybe it could be that she is also pointing to that particular thing, or for example, we have an umbrella or a box. So let's add those word in here. For example, kanino ang mga kahon na iyon? Kahon means box in English. And na is just saying that's a box. So, if we say, kanino ang mga kahon na iyon? To whom are those boxes? That's the translation for that. So, again, let's have a recap. The word ito means this. Iyan means that. Iyon means those. Okay, so I hope it's clear. We have also here an adjective subject. I have here an example for that. Pinagpapala ang masipag. So let's take it slow. Pinagpapala ang masipag. Pinagpapala ang masipag. The translation for this is a hard worker is being blessed. Pinagpapala means blessed. Ang masipag, the equivalent for this in English is a hard worker. So, okay, by the way, the adjective subject could be a singular or plural adjective. So, in this one, we have here a singular. What makes this word a singular? Just remember the word ang. Okay, ang signifies one or single. The word masipag is an adjective for a hard worker. And we are talking about a one or a single hard worker. So, a hard worker is being blessed. Let's have an example with plural adjective. Pinagpapala ang mga masisipag. Again, pinagpapala ang mga masisipag. As you can observe, we also have here the word ang. However, there's an additional mga. So, mga signifies plurality, or there's more than one thing that is being discussed in this particular sentence. And also, aside from masipag, which is hard worker, there's an addition of one syllable, and that's si, making it masisipag. And out from this, ang mga masisipag, the translation for that is those hard working, or those hard workers. So, pinagpapala ang mga masisipag means those hardworking are being blessed. So, did you see the pattern? If it's singular, we use ang. And if it is plural, we use ang mga. Okay? The next one is the verbal subject. Also, the same with the adjective, we have here singular verb and a plural verb. Let's have first the singular verb. In this example, we have naiwan ang nahuli. Naiwan ang nahuli. The translation for this is the latecomer was left. Naiwan means left or was left. And nahuli means latecomer. So if you can still remember, we have here the word ang, right? And that shows singularity. That's why we have here singular verb. And the verb that is being used is nahuli, means latecomer. So originally, this word comes from this one, huli. And huli means late. If we add this particular suffix na, it becomes na huli, or it means latecomer in English already. So naiwan ang nahuli. The latecomer was left. Let's have an example with the plural verb. We are still using the same example, but this time let's put it in a plural context. Naiwan ang mga nahuli. So, as you can observe, the same with the adjective subject, we just simply add the word mga in ang. So, the verbal subject in here is ang mga nahuli, making it plural. So, the translation for this is, can you guess it? Alright, those latecomers were being left, or just the latecomers were being left. Okay, so again, for singular verb, the same explanation with the adjective subject. We have singular for ang and plural for ang mga. The last one is prepositional phrase as a subject. We have here, the first example is umiyak ang nasa unahan. Umiyak ang nasa unahan. Umiyak ang nasa unahan. It means the person in front cried. Okay. Umiyak is cried in English. And again, you've seen the word ang one more time in here. Ang shows or denotes singularity, right? Being one. And here we are talking about preposition in front. In front in English, in Filipino is nasa unahan. So unahan is in front, but the preposition marker in here is nasa. Remember the word nasa. And if you would ask, what about this, the person? There's no equivalent in here in Filipino, right? Umiyak ang nasa unahan. So, yeah. Even though we don't have really the translation for this, the person in this sentence, but we can guess that it's a person who cried in front. But if you really want to put the word the person, we can say umiyak ang taong nasa unahan. Person is tao, but also without taong or tao, we can understand that it's a person. So the thing in here is we are using prepositional phrases, nasa unahan, in front, to say that the person who cried is that person in front. Okay? Another example is this one. Binenta na ang mga nasa kahon. Again, we've seen the word ang mga. And ang mga shows plurality, right? Or more than one. Okay. The translation for this is those in the box were already sold. I have here a highlighted word na, and it means already in English. Binenta na is already sold or being sold, already being sold. So, ang mga means plural, right? So, we are talking in here that those things in the box were already sold. The preposition in here is nasa kahon. So those things can be found in the box. And those things inside the box were already sold. That's what being meant in this sentence. Again, just remember that when we use prepositional phrases, just remember the word nasa, nasa, nasa unahan, in front, nasa kahon, in the box. Okay? Okay, now let's wrap up everything. We have to remember only these 5 things. Okay? So the basic structure in Filipino sentences are predicate plus the subject. Okay? Predicate plus a subject. Next is the personal. We use the marker si, like in si Maria. Si plus name, specific name of a person or even an animal. So, for a person, we have si Maria. For animal, we can also say si Maria if you are talking that it's an animal or it's a person. So, it's up to you. The next one is non-personal. Non-personal are those common noun. And we use the marker ang. Like ang aso, ang pusa. Okay, we have here another word, pusa, means cat. And again, what's the meaning of aso? It's a dog. That's correct. The next one is the word ang. Okay, ang shows singularity, just only one. It's single. Ang pusa, ang aso. It means only one cat and a dog. The last one is ang mga. It shows plurality, more than one. It's not single. So we can also say ang mga aso or the dogs. Ang mga pusa, the cats. Okay, you just have to add S if it's in English, but in Filipino it's ang mga. Okay, I hope you learned something today. So, if you have comments, questions, you can put it and write it down below. So, thank you so much, everyone. Thank you so much, everyone. Maraming salamat po. If you like this video, please don't forget to click subscribe, the like button, and please share it to your other friends who are also learning Filipino. Hope you have a nice day, everyone. Stay safe. Bye-bye.